This is a circuit diagram for comparison of EMF of two cells using a potentiometer. It consists of a battery eliminator, rheostat with 120 ohm. For meter bridge we are using only 30 ohm. Here we are using 120 ohm rheostat with a key milliammeter, then two-way DP/DT switch, dipole switch. Okay, then we have a high resistance galvanometer and jockey. Now I will show you. So first, the positive terminal of the battery is connected to point A of the meter bridge. Potentiometer. Positive terminal is connected to point A of the potentiometer and the negative terminal is connected to rheostat. Then the rheostat connection is connected to the milliammeter. So I will show you. This is the point A. From the positive terminal, are you able to see this? This is the positive terminal of the battery. Already I show you this is the battery eliminator, 6-volt battery eliminator. So what is this? This wire. So this wire is the positive terminal of the battery. It is connected to. Dear students, again I will show you. This is the positive terminal of the battery. The positive terminal of the battery wire is connected to point A. Then the negative terminal of the battery wire, from the negative terminal, it will be connected to rheostat. So this is the rheostat, 120 ohm rheostat that will be connected here. So this is the rheostat. From negative terminal of the battery, the connection goes to rheostat bottom end. Always the input is given to bottom end and output will be taken from top end. From the rheostat, it will be connected to ammeter. So ammeter negative side, because from the negative terminal of the battery only the ammeter is connected here. So the ammeter negative is connected to this negative only, not a positive. So only from the rheostat the connection will be given to milliammeter, 100 milliammeter. So the range will be 0 to 100 milliammeter. From the positive terminal of the milliammeter, it will be connected to the point B. That will be a terminal B. This is the terminal B. From this the wire is given to milliammeter positive. Then this upper circuit, this primary circuit is over. Positive to A, negative to rheostat, rheostat to milliammeter, milliammeter to B. Now from the point A, the connection is given to DP/DT switch. Okay, dipole-dithrow switch. That is a two polarity switch. I will show you. So from the point A, the wire is taken and it will be connected to the positive terminal of DP/DT switch. So DP/DT switch has a positive and negative here. This is the neutral one. This is a switch. This is the neutral one. It will be that. If I move this one, this will be connected to Lagrange cell. If I move down, this is a neutral. Then again it comes down, means it is connected to Daniell cell. So we are connecting a Lagrange cell and Daniell cell. In this section we are going to compare the EMF of Lagrange cell and Daniell cell. So from the DP/DT switch negative, it will be connected to high resistance. It will be connected to 5K high resistance. Already we are seen in meter bridge one. From the 5K, what is that? It is connected to jockey. From the 5K, it will be connected to jockey. I will show the jockey. This is the jockey. So from the 5K, I am sorry students, it will be connected to the galvanometer. It is a very, very important device because this only shows that balancing length. Okay, when the galvanometer shows the 0 reading, that is the balancing length. From the galvanometer only, the jockey is connected. I will show the secondary circuit again. Secondary circuit from a DP/DT switch center point positive. This from the center point negative, it will be connected to high resistance 5K. Then the galvanometer, from galvanometer to jockey. In the upper end it will be connected to the Lagrange cell, lower end it will be connected to Daniell cell. So I will show that. This is the positive and negative of the Lagrange cell. The positive and negative of the Lagrange cell is connected to DP/DT switch, positive and negative Lagrange cell terminal. Then this is the Daniell cell. The positive and negative of the Daniell cell is connected to the Daniell cell terminals in the DP/DT switch respectively. So this is the circuit connection for comparison of EMF of two cells by using potentiometer. Very simple students. Daniel cell with a 1.08 volt, that is already given. Then this is a Lagrange cell, the galvanometer, jockey, DP/DT switch, high resistance with 5k ohm. So that is a 5k means 5 kilo ohm resistance to safeguard the galvanometer. Then this is a milliammeter with 0 to 100 range, millimeter range. Then this is the battery eliminator with 0 to 6 volt. So in this experiment we have to kept 6 volt as a, for meter bridge we have to keep only 2 volt as a maximum voltage. Here we have to fix it as a 6 volt. Then this is a rheostat with 120 ohm. Then the potentiometer. So you can ask that in the circuit there is a key is given. Here the key is given. So key is not necessary because we have lot of keys here. So for the battery eliminator one key, and Lagrange cell there will be a key, and Daniel cell also key. So that key is more than sufficient. In the examination, if the external asks you to connect the key, means you can connect.